Number 16. A can of soup is in the shape of a right circular cylinder. The volume of the soup can is 4 pi cubic inches and its height is 6 inches. So for part A, it says to find the radius in inches of the base of the can and express your answer in simplest radical form, which means we're probably going to have a radical in our problem and it probably needs to be simplified. So again, remember the volume is what we're given, and it's 48 pi, and then we're also given the height. So the volume formula, remember, is pi r squared, area of the base, times the height. So when we plug in the volume, that's 48 pi, and then we have pi. We don't know our radius, and we know that our height is 6. So we want to get r squared by itself so that we can take the square root to find r. So we're going to divide both sides by 6 pi. Those cancel, and we're left with r squared equals, those cancel, and 48 divided by 6 is 8. And then we take the square root, so r equals the square root of 8. Now, I remember we had this question on a test before. Several of you left it like that. It's the simplest radical form. If it can be reduced, reduce it. So we can rewrite this. 8 has a factor that's a perfect square. So that's 4 times 2, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we take the square root of that, and it comes out. The other one stays underneath. And that would be inches. So our radius is 2 square roots of 2 inches. Now for part B, it says to find the area of the soup can label. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So we're finding the soup can label, which is just the lateral area. So it's not the entire surface of the can, just the lateral area. So for part B, to find lateral area, it's 2 pi r h. Remember, it's the circumference times the height. And so now that we know our radius, we can plug that in, and we knew our height from the original problem, which was 6. Now, to solve this, we're going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, times 6, which is 24. So we get 24 square roots of 2 pi, and then our area is inches, or square inches. So our lateral area, the area of the soup can, is 24 square roots of 2 pi square inches.